Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 1st to the 15th. And I'd like to wish everybody a happy Easter. We're going to look at the period for April 1st to the 5th. And here we are in this period. We still have our ridge here between the Aleutians and Hawaii. We have a trough over Western North America above normal heights here. And we still have our ridge here across the southeast. And we have above normal heights as we go through the period, covering Western Canada. And we have above normal heights across Greenland and Eastern Canada. Trough covers the east. So during this forecast period, we're going to go here to the surface. We will have an upper trough that will track into the four corners during this period. And this will, the system and its associated surface load will direct moisture into the southwest and the Rockies early next week. And we're at Monday and Tuesday. And then this system will move eastward. And energy from northern Mexico expected to emerge with northern stream energy and result in development of a deep low here in the central states. You can see it right here. There'll be snow here across the upper plains and rain here as we go through the period. And then as it moves east, the storm strengthens, heavy rain and strong storms. And there could be some snow in parts of the northern mid-Atlantic region and the northeast. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But the way this winter's going, we're not getting anything. But the GFS shows it. And we're going to look at snowfall amounts now, for the west. Go to the right map. Okay, here's the snowfall map. And we start here from the first. GFS doesn't show much snow. The heavy snow here to be across parts of the Rockies. And then we go eastward. And then as we go to the east, Tuesday, Wednesday, you see the heaviest snow is inland, not at the mid-Atlantic, so that kind of like fizzles that part out. So then we'll look at the GFS, the European, that is. Looks like there could be some heavier snow here in the Sierras. And you can see right here the dark pink. And then we go eastward. Let me see, there was one map here. It was showing, let me see, which map was it? Okay, it was this map here, the GFS. This is the European, was showing like 7 inches in the higher elevations of Arizona. And then as the system moves eastward, like with the rain, or there'll be strong to severe storms to the south, and we'll look at the amount of shear in the atmosphere. Okay, that's the amount of shear, the shearing winds. It could be strong to severe storms. And we'll take a quick look at tornado parameters. Doesn't look like there's much of anything, so that's good news, but there'll be strong to severe storms. We're going to look now at the period for April 6th to the 10th. And we still have a ridge here, trough moving into the west, above normal heights across Canada, and Greenland, trough here in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, the maps didn't work, they just did when I tested it. Calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here, but the anomalies near 4 degrees above normal. Could be a little bit more in this region here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%, and we have below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking ahead, this would be for April 11th to the 15th. Models have been pretty steady during this forecast period, with a trough here in the west, ridging in the east, more likely a zone of flow. So it hasn't changed from the last couple of days. Calling for below normal temperatures here, And I'm calling for anomalies to be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, greatest anomalies here. And above normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies near 4 degrees, could be a little bit more across this region here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 1st to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.